everyone, welcome to the Quilted Potholder class. My name is Zoe Ocean and I am the owner, teacher, sewist, everything here at Summer Sapphires. Throughout the course of this class, we will tackle lots of different techniques that will be really useful for all kinds of different projects that you might encounter in the future. This is a self-drafted pattern that we will be using, meaning you're going to create these pot holders without the use of a commercial pattern. That means you will be cutting, measuring, marking everything with just my guidance. You won't have a template that you're working off of. We will also be going over the difference between quilting and patchwork, because I know a lot of people always hear patchwork quilt all in one go, but each of those words has a different definition when it comes to sewing, and knowing that difference is actually pretty important. For the binding, we will be working with bias tape to enclose all the raw edges of your fabric. Bias tape is a super helpful notion that you can use in clothing, in crafts, in simple projects, in complicated projects. It's an amazing thing to get to know. Now, this class has two different options for sewing levels. There is an intermediate version and an advanced optional version. Intermediate will be the easier to follow one, and the advanced will be the more complicated one, but the basics and fundamentals of both sewing levels are the exact same. The intermediate just uses techniques that are slightly easier to follow and slightly easier to use. If you are unsure which sewing level to start with, I highly recommend doing the intermediate class first, and then repeating the project with the advanced version of the class. At the beginning of each video, you will notice that there is a title screen, and in the upper corner, it will say the sewing level. So on any title screen, if there is a sewing level in that upper corner there, that is what sewing level that video is for. If there's not a sewing level listed, it means it's the same for both.